These 3 simple steps can make you a lot of money if implemented rightly. It involves just a few clicks and taps of a button and boom, you make money. Don't believe it? Stay with me till the end and let me show you the money-making secrets that will blow your mind. This strategy is completely free. You're not paying for anything, no form of selling, and no hidden charges whatsoever. You don't even need to have some sort of technical skill or even prior experience, because this method right here is easy to implement and beginner-friendly. You're in luck, because in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to implement and I will guide you through the whole process. Make sure you watch this video till the end and remember to never skip any part so you don't miss out on some vital information that is very crucial in this strategy today. First and foremost, I want you to visit the website called digistore24.com. It is an all-in-one digital sales platform and international affiliate network. To get started, you need to first create an account, and once you're done with the creation of an account, go ahead to the marketplace where you can discover this wide array of products. Among these various selections, you can decide to promote any one of these by just clicking some buttons and sharing your unique link to a huge group of people to double or triple your earnings. It's pretty simple because when you post this promo link to the internet for many people to see, you can earn money very easily. And whenever somebody clicks on your link and makes a purchase on Digistore24, you can earn up to $500 or even more as commission for successfully promoting their products. Before we proceed to the sign-up process, you can go ahead and navigate through the entire webpage, and if you have some questions or some clarifications about the website, you can easily find answers on the site itself. Digistore24 presents you with all the information, and you will learn everything you need to learn just right there. Now we are about to enter the money-making scene by first signing up for an account. For this part and all that follows, make sure to pay close attention so that you won't miss out on anything. Before we sign up for an account, let me give you a little bit of something to motivate you somehow. Later, after you log in, I want you to go ahead and click on this section right here called Marketplace, and you will be directed to this page where you can view hundreds of products offered by Digistore24. You can see right here that you can earn a whopping 85% of commissions with this amazing product called Medicore. You can view the details right here, and you have all the freedom to discover what Medicore offers to its customers. As you can see right here, there are almost 500 products that are ready for you to promote and in turn earn money from. Feel free to scroll down and navigate through the page so that you'll discover products that offer high commission income. Want to know a little secret so that you can easily find products with a much higher yield? Stay tuned, because I'm going to reveal everything to you. If you guys are gaining something, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. I have a little tip for you so that you won't have to scroll and scroll and scroll to find the perfect product that offers the highest commission income. With this powerful tip, you can earn much more money in a much faster way, thereby saving time and energy. On default, the search results are sorted according to sales rank. Now what I want you to do is click on this arrow down button right here and select Sort by Earnings or Sale. Within the blink of an eye, you now have everything handed to you on a platter of gold. You can see these products right here ranked according to the commission income that you can earn with no exact pattern. With that new filter applied, you can find this product right here called Tube Mastery and Monetization by MedPar, which has a massive commission income. As you scroll down, you can also find this product right here called Tube Monetization and Automation Program with a huge commission averaging $330.26. Now, if you did not apply the tip that I gave you just now, it might take you several minutes to locate these products right here that offer such a high yield. Well, lucky for you, you'll learn about how a single click can literally save you lots of time. You know what they say, time is gold. In case you forgot, you haven't signed up for an account yet. So let's go back to the homepage of Digistore24. On the middle of the page, you can see this button calling you out to sign up. Simply click on this button right here and you will be redirected to this page where you can begin your registration process. First, you're going to select an affiliate on the field for Sign Up As. Next, simply fill in all the information needed, starting with your username. Once you've successfully entered your username, your affiliate link will automatically generate, and that right there is your moneymaker. Like I said, continue to fill in basic information such as your email, then craft your own password, then choose your correct time zone. Now, if you look closely, there are hundreds of selections that you can choose for the time zone, and this tells us one thing: they are accessible. With this prime accessibility feature, more and more people across the globe can be given this opportunity to make money online very effectively. After selecting your time zone, simply type in some personal data about yourself, including your name, company, address, country, phone number, and Skype name or Telegram ID. After that, you're going to tick these boxes right here to signify that you agree to the contract and the privacy policy of the website. And then finally, hit that register button, and as easy as that, now you have your own account with absolutely no charges at all. With your brand new account, log into Digistore24 and go onto the marketplace section just like I told you all about earlier. Then click on any product that you like. After you've applied that little tip I gave you, then as you can see, you're going to click on this button right here that says Promote Now. After clicking that button, you now have access to your unique affiliate link. And that only means one thing: you are now all set to share this link to the general public and start making money online. In order to expand your coverage and reach more and more people, a public forum will be perfect for that goal. One public forum that is so popular for use by various people among these 7 continents on the planet is Reddit. So when you are in the homepage, you can see tons of different discussions and threads with numerous topics that you can find and shared by users worldwide. With that said, you can discover hundreds and even thousands of people who might have some queries about something related to the product that you are going to promote. Since the product was all about making money online through YouTube, what I want you to do is go to Reddit search bar and type in some keywords related to that. You can choose to type in "how to boost my YouTube account" and simply hit the search button, and you will now see these queries shared by users from literally everywhere on the globe. Now, Reddit is a public community dedicated to helping each other solve some problems by seeking the help of professionals and experts. These people right here are looking to find some ways to how they can make more and more money through YouTube, so you are going to help them out. Simply select any of the discussions right here, and I want you to be as social as possible. When you click on these discussions, you're going to offer tips and ideas that will provide solutions, and you're going to give a few tricks, some pointers, and offer them free advice as to how they can make more and more money online using their YouTube account. Through this, they will most likely click on your affiliate link as one of the tips that you've shared to them. And then the magic happens. When they choose to purchase your promoted product, you're going to earn commission income, which is a whopping 50% of their sales. That's huge! And you know what the best thing about this is? You can promote as many products you like, and also reply to as many Reddit threads as you can. Through this, you get to expand the horizons of your money-making technique to reach more people, drive more traffic, and as a result, earn a lot of money. Do you want to learn how you can make money while sleeping? Click here! This has been Rachel's Money Guide. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.